Welcome in Education Success. Today we will discuss MCQs on Introduction to Software Engineering and Process Models. First question is dash is an orderly grouping of independent components linked together. Options are system, software, subsystem, physical system. Correct answer is system. Because a system is an organized, interacting, interdependent and integrated set of components or variables or parts. A dash is a set or group of components that interact to accomplish some purpose. Options are A. System, B. Software, C. Subsystem, D. Physical system. Correct answer is system, because a system is an array of components or group of components that work together to achieve a common goal or multiple goals. A system consists of dash system. Options are A. Standards, B. Measurement, C. Compare, D. All of the above. Correct answer is all of the above, because system consists of standards, measurement, compare. Elements of systems are options are A. Output or input, control, feedback, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above, because three basic elements of the systems: input, processing and output. Other five elements of the systems are control, feedback, boundaries, environment and interfaces. What is software? Options are A. Set of computer programs, procedures and possibly is a collection of instructions that enables the user to interact with the computer system. B. A set of compiler instructions. C. A mathematical formula. D. Things which we can touch. Correct answer is option A. Set of computer programs, procedures and possibly is a collection of instructions that enables the user to interact with the computer system is a software. Software is defined as options are A. Instructions, B. Data structure, C. Documents, D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above, because software is defined as instructions, data structure and documents. The objective of software engineering is to produce dash. Options are A. Software product, B. Output, C. Input, D. Processing. Correct option is A. Software product. The objective of software engineering is to produce software product. A software consists of options are A. Programs and hardware manuals, B. Set of instructions and operating procedures, C. Set of programs, D. Programs, documentation and operating procedures. Correct answer is programs, documentation and operating procedures. What is the main aim of software engineering? Options are A. Reliable software, B. Cost effective software, C. Reliable and cost effective software, D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Reliable and cost effective software. The main aim of software engineering is to produce reliable and cost effective software. Which of the following is not the layer of software engineering? Options are A. Tools, B. Quality, C. Process, D. Maintainability. Correct answer is here maintainability, because layers of software engineering includes tools, methods, process and quality focus. Which of the following provides semi-automatic and automatic support to methods in a layered technology? Options are A. Methods, B. Tools, C. Process, D. Quality focus. Correct answer is tool. It provides semi-automatic and automatic support to methods in a layered technology. Which is the layered technology in Bedrock that supports software engineering? Options are A. Methods, B. Tools, C. Process, D. Quality focus. Correct answer is quality focus. It is the bedrock that supports software engineering. What are the characteristics of a software? Options are A. Software is developed or engineered. It is not manufactured in the classical sense. B. Software does not wear out. C. Software can be custom built or custom built. D. All mentioned above. Correct answer is all mentioned above because all of these are the characteristics of software. Which of the following is not the characteristics of software? Options are A. Software does not wear out. B. Software is not manufactured. C. Software is always correct. And D. Software is flexible. Answer is here software is always correct. The process is generating analysis and design document is known as. Options are A. Software engineering, B. Software re-engineering, C. Reverse engineering, D. Re-engineering. Answer is reverse engineering. It is the process of generating analysis and design documents. Which is the first step in the software development life cycle? Options are A. Analysis, B. Design, C. Problem or opportunity identification, D. Development and documentation. Correct answer is problem or opportunity identification. It is the first step in the software development life cycle. It is also known as problem definition. Dash the system which are represented conceptually non-physical systems are called. Options are A. Abstract system, B. System model, C. Open system, D. Closed system. Correct answer is abstract system. Abstract systems are conceptual or non-physical entities which may be straightforward as formulas of relationships among set of variables or models. An dash system is a one which does not provide for its own control or modification. Options are A. Open system, B. Closed system, C. MIS, D. DIS. Correct answer is here open system. A system which interacts with the environment is called as open system. These systems change their organization in response to changing conditions. Dash system in one which automatically controls or modifies its own operation by responding to data generated by the system itself. Options are A. Open system, B. Closed system, C. MIS, D. DIS. Correct answer is closed system. A closed system is a system which does not interact with the environment. It's called as closed system. This system is self-contained and automatically controls its operations. Dash is a unit that is a part of a larger system. That means a larger system divided into subparts. The subpart is known as. Options are A. Execution information system, B. Integrated system, C. Subsystem, D. Transaction processing system. Answer is here subsystem. It is a unit that is a part of a larger system, or it is a larger system divided into subparts, and that subpart is called as here subsystem. Dash is concerned with how a system tied together in order to achieve common goal, thus forming integration. Options are A. Interaction, B. Interdependence, C. Integration, D. Central objective. Here the correct answer is integration. Integration is concerned with how a system tied together. Dash is include the study like can the work for the project is done with current equipment. existing software technology and with available manpower. Options are A. Technical feasibility, B. Economic feasibility, C. Operational feasibility, D. None of the above. Correct answer is economic feasibility. Dash means that part of the organization depend on one another. Options are A. Interaction, B. Interdependence, C. Integration, D. Central objective. Correct option is here interdependence, option number B. Compilers, editors, software come under which type of software? Options are A. System software, B. Application software, C. Scientific software, D. None of the above. Correct answer is here system software. Compiler, editors are come under system software. Software which focus on mass consumer market is options are A. Web apps, B. Cloud computing, C. Mobile apps, D. Product line software. Correct answer is product line software that focus on mass consumer market. The type of software which is implemented using set of reusable software component is options are A. Cloud computing, B. Web apps, C. Product line, D. Mobile applications. Correct answer is here product line. It is that type of software which is implemented using set of reusable software components. A generic process framework for software engineering encompasses 5 activities. What are those activities? Options are A. Communication, risk management, measurement, production, deployment. B. Communication, planning, modeling, construction, deployment. Option number C. Analysis, designing, programming, debugging, maintenance. D. None of the above. Correct answer is communication, planning, modeling, construction and deployment. These are the 5 activities. Activity which clearly identifies the objective of the system. Options are A. Communication, B. Planning, C. Modeling, D. Deployment. Correct answer is here communication. Communication is the activity that clearly identifies the objective of the system. Communication between customer and developer is the first step of software development. It clearly identifies the objectives of the system. The activity which helps in better understanding of proposed system is options are A. Planning, B. Construction, C. Modeling, D. Communication. Correct answer is modeling. Modeling consists of complete requirement analysis and design of the project like algorithm, flowchart, etc. for better understanding of proposed system. Which model is called as classic life cycle or the waterfall model? Options are A. Iterative development, B. Linear sequential development, C. RAD model, D. Incremental development. Correct answer is B. Linear sequential development is also known as classic life cycle or waterfall model. The process flow which repeats one or more activities is options are A. Linear process flow, B. Evolutionary process flow, C. Parallel process flow, D. Iterative process flow. Correct option is iterative process flow. It is the process flow in which it repeats one or more activities. Which of the following models is not suitable for accommodating any change? Options are A. Build and fix model, B. Prototyping model, C. RAD model, D. Waterfall model. Answer is here waterfall model, which is not suitable for accommodating any change. Spiral model is a combination of both iterative model and one of the SDLC model. The statement is true or false. The statement is here true. The spiral model is a combination of both iterative model and one of the SDLC model. The spiral model of software development is: options are A, ends with the delivery of the software product. B, is more chaotic than the incremental model. C, includes project risk revaluation during each iteration. D, all of the above. Correct answer is here C, includes project risk revaluation during each iteration. The prototyping model of software development is: options are A, a reasonable approach when requirements are well defined. B, a useful approach when a customer cannot define requirements clearly. C, the best approach to use for projects with large development teams. D, a risky model that rarely produces a meaningful product. Correct answer is here a useful approach when a customer cannot define requirements clearly. RAD software process model stands for: options are A, rapid application development, B, relative application development, C, rapid application design, D, recent application development. Correct answer is here rapid application development. RAD stands for rapid application development. Which model can be selected if the user is involved in all the phases of SDLC? Options are A, waterfall model, B, prototyping model, C, RAD model, D, both A and C. Here the answer is RAD model. It involves the user in all the phases. The incremental model is a result of combination of elements of which two models? Options are A, build and fix model and waterfall model, B, linear model and RAD model, C, linear model and prototyping model, D, waterfall model and RAD model. Correct answer is here linear model and prototyping model. The spiral model has two dimensions, namely dash and dash. Options are A, diagonal angular, B, radial perpendicular, C, radial angular and D, diagonal perpendicular. Here the answer is radial angular. The spiral model has two dimensions, namely radial and angular. The model which is designed for adapting changes is: options are classic life cycle model, B, incremental model, C, evolutionary model, D, concurrent model. Correct answer is here evolutionary model which is designed for adapting changes. In UP means unified process, the phase which is decided about the technology used is: options are A, inception phase, B, elaboration phase, C, construction phase, D, transition phase. Correct answer is here elaboration phase which is decided about the technology used. Phase of unified process which involves modeling activities is: options are A, inception phase, B, elaboration phase, C, construction phase, D, transition phase. Correct answer is here transition phase which involves modeling activities. Set of umbrella activities which tries to manage and control changes is: options are A, reusability management, B, software quality assurance, C, software configuration management, D, risk management. Here the correct answer is C, software configuration management. It is the umbrella activity that tries to manage and control changes. Select the most appropriate statement about software engineering. Options are A, has been around as a discipline since the early 50s. B, is a set of rules about developing software products. C, started as a response to the so-called software crisis of the late 90s. D, is an engineering discipline concerned with all the aspects of software production. Here the correct answer is B, is a set of correct answer is D, is an engineering discipline concerned with all the aspects of software production. First level of prototype is evaluated by: Options are A. Developer, B. Tester, C. User, D. System analyst. Correct answer is here user. First level of prototype is evaluated by user. The process of developing a software product using software engineering principles and methods is referred to as. Options are A. Software myths, B. Scientific product, C. Software evolution, D. None of the above. Correct answer is here software evolution. To get more videos of software engineering, kindly subscribe the channel. For your suggestions, kindly write down in comment box. Don't forget to like the channel. For MCQ test on this content, see the link in the description box. Thank you.